Hello, Contra here from Lumpology.com, and welcome back. This is Making a Game Live. It's been a long time, but yay, it's back. I'm doing a little camera thing going on right in the corner here. Tell me if it gets in the way. I will fix it, of course. But I hope to make this just actually, I'll be truthful, stall a little bit so that I can finish up on my other tutorials. And hey, Smelly, I'm messing up your name. I'm just gonna say hi. Hey, welcome to the stream. Let's. All right, let's. I may as well start. So this is an old series on this channel where it's pretty self-explanatory. Actually, I'm not gonna say anything. Okay, well, I'm gonna track down wherever I've put everything and then start up this here stream. Live game. There we go. Bingo. So this, if you joined for the previous streams, if you're watching this in the future, you'll most likely not recognize the scene that you can see now. This scene is I've updated the game since then. I know it's been a while since the stream. Still no icons and things, but there's a few new things that I've added in that will liven up this game a bit. If I run it, nice little cursor. I'm not so sure that was there before. Just to show us where we're putting things. It's got the same AI as the random spiky AI thing that we have in the game. I've forgotten which button summons it. But so there's a bunch of different boxes now. There is the map box, box of maps, the box of building parts, the gold bar box, and gems in a box. So yeah. Let's get rid of those. Boom. Just have gold everywhere. I like this pushing thing. Anyways, so I have no real plan going forward. I made a small text file with like some things to do, but I really don't have a plan going into this. So it'll be fun to pick up this series again. Okay, so it's no need to save, but each button has a name, so here we have the AI, there we go. This random thing that it has the same AI as our cursor, this little summoner thing here. So yeah, any ideas you have for this game, feel free to, we want tutorial the Unity 2D. Sorry, I'm a little confused by that statement. Are you saying you want this tutorial in Unity 2D or 3D or something like that? I currently have it in, I'm using Blender game engine because that's what I've got currently, but I may eventually make a Unity tutorial someday. There's just a lot of those, so I try to avoid that column of things. A few updates since the last stream. We would have eggs now don't roll when they hit the ground. They also have a rare chance of summoning one with a double yolk. Same things goes with, oops, wrong one. I'm just totally good at this today. Which one is it? Same thing with the Easter egg, it also has the same thing and it has a chance of dropping a double yolked egg. So yeah, just some minor additions to this here game. There is now something that has like a random thing that if I put it on so it has I can't really explain this thing. It's if it's not touching an object, it goes crazy. And there's one that goes crazy if it touches an object. So just interesting little mechanics, and Killer Box remains. So let's implement some features. I was thinking I might try going for some levels this time around, like making some base level mechanics for this game. Uh, I don't have any like plan going into it because I really don't know. Uh, or yeah, what can I say? So I may as well try something. A mechanic that may or may not have been in was the ability to save your game. I believe the key is F2. Yeah, I don't know, maybe F1. Yeah, it's F1. F1 saves your game. So that's nice. That way you can add a whole ton of things in, hit F1, and then leave, and then re-enter, and it'll be at the same point that you were. That's nice. It saves as a BG config file, so it's really nice and compressed. So yeah, I'm going. Let's build some things. Last time I was trying to find an easy way to get rid of these annoying things here. Alpha Awesome Man asks, "What game are you making, Lump?" Well, this is a game I've been streaming for the past little while, and it's a bunch of random things. I take ideas from the chat, I take ideas from everywhere, and I turn them into one game that I just do stuff with. So, as I was saying, last time off camera, I was working on a missile kind of thing, so one could easily get rid of these AIs that can very quickly crowd your scene, and they're hard to get rid of. Example of that being there. Dropping killer boxes everywhere is difficult, and you'll end up generating a lot of them over time, so it becomes harder and harder. And especially if they move like they do. They move a different direction every few seconds, and they're darn hard to hit. So yeah. Ideas for levels would be welcome. I'm still tossing up my options because I really don't know. But yeah, all right. Let's implement something on the to-do list, which is a small little list of things that we have are in need of doing. Let's see. Making a game live. Here is the to-do list. Icons, a glass cup, I've forgotten why, sound, and the treble clef. Sounds wonderful. A treble clef. I probably butchered the spelling of that. So let's get some sound and some treble clefs going. Music notes. First things first, I'm going to check to see if Blender's text can indeed support UTF character platforming. So, come on. What? Oh, oops. My bad. Let's do that, and then I'm going to open up Character Map, which is this awesome little tool that I have, and in it, my hope is that it has Blender's text can support its music note character. Probably can't, but it's still worth trying ahead of time for entertainment. Nah, yeah, I thought so. Blender can't support that. Yeah, that's too bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get rid of that and model one. So I'm gonna get an image of a treble clef and work with that. Okay, so perfect. This one is an alpha. An alpha image that, is quite a handy tool when you're making games. So basically I will save it to the folder. You can't see what I'm working on currently, but you will see in just 1 second. it's a .gif. Whatever. You don't usually want .gif files, but it's fine, I guess. It doesn't really matter, so let's import that and bring it on. So I'm gonna open that with this thing, see what it looks. Okay, it looks good. Oh, it doesn't import. Shucks. Let's see. Treble clef. We're not getting a massive viewer base, but that's fine. I do these for the videos anyways. Save image as. There we go, .png. I can work with that. Much better. Okay. There we go. Okay, so Shift A. I apologize for any noise my computer will make. It is loud, and I'm fully aware of it. Small bug there. Maybe not. Just looks strange. What am I saying? Let's try this. About that long. Doesn't have to be an exact number. Let's backface culling on, alpha clip. Clef. Let's call this one also clef. Give it our music note that we have here. It's our automatically packs, which is nice. Tab U, U key, unwrap. Project from view bounds will be the best option in this particular case. Next we hop over to the material, transparency, and decrease the alpha. Let us. Okay, that didn't work too well. I will. Oh, I know what I did wrong. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, it's not going to show up from the bottom. So what we're going to do then is we're just going to take our back face culling. First things first, I'm just going to just extrude it down a tiny bit. Remove back face culling. And we're going to give it the physics of rigid body collision box on. Boom. Bingo. Looks great. It's a tiny bit offset actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it to convex hull. Yeah, it's much better. So I'll give it the same copy logic. Control Z. There we go. And Control C. Boolean. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna have a clef. Save that. Scale it down. Save that. And we can add that in the mechanics behind it in later. Alright, let's do that. So, as per usual, buttons must be added. So, what we usually do for buttons is add something in. Let's see what these buttons are. And on the top, glass, and that annoying light that we can never seem to get rid of. So I just drop a bomb on it, and it usually works better. There we go. I'll put it next to the glass tab. That should work nice. Select this button here, and we're going to hit Shift. Probably I shouldn't, but I'm just going to do that. I'm going to hit Shift D, duplicate it. Bring it over here. It's called 1.0. Just cut all of its logic out. And it's going to be by, what do we just, clef. And it stays, so it's nice, the rig is nice and attached. And so I'm just going to attach it to this thing over here. Add an AND controller. Right there. Let's find it. There's the clef. Okay. I don't even know how I do this. I've completely forgotten how I did this in the past. I've completely forgotten. I think it's wire both in to the singular, then close it, add an edit object, which adds the object clef in. Yeah, that should do the trick. Adds a clef. Oh, that is too funny. I like this. So now all we need is every time it collisions with, whatchamacallit, every time it collisions with the ground or something like that, it needs to bounce, or it needs to play a note at random, a piano key note. I'm pretty sure, I don't remember specifically, but I'm pretty sure I have a piano key sound library that I can just pull and use that. Let's save this for a start. And I'll just look it up actually, because I don't remember where it is. Piano sound library. Piano key sound library. There's one in freesound.com. I'm not sure I'll be able to find it. Ah, it's branded. A ton of branded stuff. Piano sounds. Here, I'll show you what I am looking at. By sound. It's kind of funny, actually. What will I do? Piano key we go. Useless. Freesound.org should have it. Piano key library. Piano key. Credit. See, there's credit here. I shouldn't be listening to music on stream, so I have it muted. That way I can't get copyright striked. So, yeah. Sorry. Note library. Download. See what that is. G#. Oh, that sounds horrible. I am disappointed. I mean, it's not horrible actually. It's okay. Yeah, actually, what the heck? Oh shoot! I need to download just a few of them. I'm pretty sure I should log in, so I'll do that off on a different screen, so you guys can't log into my account. Log in. Oh, I believe that's nope. Yep, okay, I'm in. There we go. Let's see, I'm gonna want the C key. That's a fundamental basic. There we go. Okay, yeah, I'll do that. Download. E flat. Ha. Okay, C#. For the laughs. Oh, I have to do that. That's too funny. You programmers get that. Am I right? C, B. What am I doing? What? Of course I should only pick programming languages. D. That is a programming language. Okay. I have to. I'm sorry. I have no choice. B, programming. Download. Okay, I'll just pick, it'll be a random number pick, so I'll just pop into my downloads folder, grab all of those. So we got B, C, C flat, and D. I think that'll be good. I mean, I suppose I could grab A, but who nowadays uses the A programming language? Then again, who uses the B programming language also? So, what am I saying? I will, so long as I don't play sound, I will provide full credit to, and I won't sell the game So I'll provide full credit to the user of the creator of this sound pack in the form of a .html file. Sound credit.html, because by law, I'm not one for breaking laws, I have to do that in order to their resource. I'm required to do such a thing. Let's search that quickly. Brings me to the same page. Bingo. Okay, so now that I has done that, let's implement something on our keynote here. This thing has the logic I will need. It's got an extra collision for smash. Okay, so when collisioned, tap on with smash. Spelt correctly. Tap on will save me from no end of trouble. Pick a random number, so I'm going to use a random, but it's based on a seed, so I can't use a random. I'm going to have to use a Python controller. Yeah, it's not going to work like that. So I believe we have a script going called random. It has 6 different possibilities. We can work with that. Random and AI. It's going to be string called, no, an integer called AI. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's call this one a Boolean called smash. Okay, what am I even doing? I'm straying so far off. Let us do this. Seeing a lot of 4s. 3, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 3. Okay, so what I need to do is it works. What am I saying? I'll just use it for the way it is for now. I'm going to say when property is set to tap. I'm going to use 6 of these. So property starts P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I believe that was enough. I'm going to give them each names. AI equals to a value of 0. AI equals to a value of 1. Tap on. 3. Why did I? Yeah, tap on. AI equals to a value of 2. 3. No, that's 4. AI equals to a value of 3. Tap on. 4, 5. AI equals to a value of 4. Tap on. And this is going to be 6. Tap on. AI equals to a value of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. but seeing as we only have 4 sounds, it's going to be an OR sensor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I promised I would never use one of these, so what am I even doing? It was never in my intention to use one of these. But here I go. There. I've never used one of these like in a proper video before, so you happy now? 1, 2, 3, 4. What does that matter that there's no disk in my E drive? I don't see what the point of the... Whatever. Okay, I'll plug a disk into my E drive. I think. I hope. What the heck? I thought that error was blender.exe. There's no disk in your E drive. Okay, I will plug a disk into my E drive. Plug in. I never expected to have an error like that. Oh, that's the H drive. E drive is this thing. You guys cannot see this, but I believe this little case here. Yeah. I'm not going to accept anything until I plug it in. So, let me plug it in. Just plug it into the USB 2 for now. Anytime now. H drive. Jeepers. That makes E the disk drive? Okay. Okay, this is the error I'm getting so that you guys aren't, that's the removable disk. Okay, that would be a, an SD card, I think. Yeah. That would be an SD card. Thing didn't even update when I unplugged that. It's sad. That is really sad. This thing has issues. Okay, problems on the headlines. I've got to somehow track down an SD card. Luckily, my camera happens to be plugged into my computer right now. Behold the amazingness. So I can just grab that. And there's no need to worry. Let me adjust my camera a bit. Let's plug that into my SD slot. Oh Jesus, this computer is killing me. Blender is probably taking up all the resources. I may have to force quit it before I blue screen. This is what I got going. Okay. Hurry up, my dear thing. Otherwise I'm gonna have to force quit the program and that'll be sad. Oh. It worked. It worked. Great. Now I will reopen up to stream chat. Click, click, click. So that I can see everything once again. Also grab one of these. Oops. I can hear myself. Probably not so good. Alright, let us okay. Live game. L. Right there. Start with C. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Try the other C. 3D sound. I like to leave things on default settings. They're usually pretty good. I like to say it like this. There's a reason it's the default setting. But my life is thinking of things as standards, so. I think I've given enough credit to the artist that I can turn on the background audio. Oh, oops, that shouldn't have, I wasn't supposed to do that. Alright, trying to save this Blender file. Play. Okay. Anything? Oh, that's too entertaining. Let's fix that sound problem. First things first, I'm going to get rid of 3D sound because it doesn't sound that good. I can re-add it in later when I want to. It's horrific. It is truly horrific. Okay. a sight to behold. Okay. Let's fix this. This might not work so well, but I'm still trying it. I like this too much. Careful, musicians. Your jobs are running out of time. Because this brilliance is going to be blowing everything away. I hope you could hear me. I'm pretty sure you were too preoccupied by this wonderful, exquisite music. Nowhere else in the world will you find music like this. Oh, I hate this. Goodbye. Boom. Goodbye. Okay, where are you? Where is this piece? The missing piece of the puzzle is driving me insane. Where are you? Ah! Oh, there you are. Die. Oh, and this one is a 0, so it's not going to summon anything. So, I think I need to add something to the to-do list. We need something that, if it is hit by one of the objects, will summon 1,000,000 of that object. And I think that will be totally hilarious. So, we're gonna have a, spawner. We'll also have a random. I just deleted everything in the file. Ah! Okay, whatever. Random spawner. So, now that I've gotten some sound stuff, I need to go back and I need to buy more. Or not buy. Why am I thinking buy? I need to acquire. That's the word. More sound files. Ooh, I'm gonna have to go soon. So we need we need a few different splat sounds, and we need a few different explosion sounds. I'm pretty sure freesound.org will have us covered. Not sponsored video. It's just a good resource. Or I'll also go to soundj.com and see if they have anything, because they are usually pretty good. Also, let's get splat. I'm probably gonna have to cut the stream off soon, so just be warned. Let's see what this splat sound sounds like. Oh, it's horrible. Oh, I will put that splat sound in the video, that way I don't get copyright striked. It's this thing. And now I'm going to disable my sound so I don't have to constantly get worried about copyright striking stuff. Sorry. This one looks good. Oh, that sounds bad though. Oh, I perhaps like that one. Not quite good enough. Splat and crunch. Oh, I like that. I just logged in. Why does it not think I logged in? Download. Right. There we go. Let's see what this one looks. People's ideas of splats is strange. Oh, look at that. Still have the character map open. Okay. Explosion. Too long. Need something short and quick. One's short. This one's 5 seconds. It's more of a distant rumble. Good enough for me. Good enough for jazz. Wood step. Good. Good, good. What else do I need? Box drop. I'm assuming there's some kind of sound like that. Too slow. This one. Lame. Not great. What's this one? Probably on a millisecond. Yeah, a millisecond wait before playing the sound. Oh, I like it. I'll take it. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to have to throw them all on stream so I don't get copyrighted. I'm gonna have to end at 5 o'clock, so best wrap all of this up. Let us Oh, I need a broken glass sound. Smash. Oh, nope. Oh, that's good. All right. Okay, let us do this. Turn the sound on so you can all hear it. Here are all of the names. I will document them later. First time upon hitting smash. It's going to be a sound. Nasty splat sound. Splat and crunch, actually, I'll do that one. Play end. Okay. Play stop. Anything? Nope. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay. Pretty major, all things considered. Loop stop. I don't actually know what each of the sound options do, so I'm kind of guessing. You know what I can do? I can do this. Yeah, I can. Basically, what you do is you select the egg, and you say always once. And play sound. Splat. Always. And tap. Play sound. It's too funny. Okay. Clearly I have to do some sound messing. Yeah, nope. Just not even trying. I think I could get that to work. Must have something to do with tap. Nope. Nothing to do with tap. It proves my non-knowing in this situation. Got 1 minute to figure it out. I mean, normally I wouldn't complain with a sound like that, but I'm trying to figure something out. So, yeah. So strange. No wonder it's not working. I've been doing it all on that one there. Ah. Okay, I'm going to have to end the stream, unfortunately, but I wanted to figure that out. Spent like an hour doing nothing. I'll make a promise. By the end of next stream, I will have this figured out. So, if you stuck this long and are still watching the video, because no one's watching the stream, thank you so much for sticking with me. And what can I say? Good day to y'all, and bye-bye now. I sounded so typical saying that. I don't usually say y'all, I just say bye. See ya, people. Goodbye now. Have a good day, and anyways, I'm Code Right here, and I will see you all later. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so we can gain popularity. Anything you do, leave a like, subscribe, notifications on, it all helps. I'm not even gonna ask for that. You don't have to. Don't do it. Anyways, bye.